Good morning and welcome to my channel. My name is Gina and my channel name is Crochet Gal. So if you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and it'll tell you every time I post a video. All right, so today's video, I'm going to show you what, as you can see here, the traditional foundation starting piece is. Now, as you can see, you've got a little wonkiness going on there. It's not completely straight. Okay, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a new and improved way to create your foundation piece. Okay, here is our regular chain. Okay, so the regular way that we all start out our work is by inserting the hook from the second chain, okay, from the hook. You would insert it, and then pull through. What I'm going to show you today is something that I recently learned on looking on other YouTube channels. So here's the front part of your chain, which is nice and flat. But if you turn it over, this is what you see. All right. Now I'm going to show you from the side here. Right here, you have a little loop, okay, which is on either side of that chain stitch. That is where we're going to be inserting our hook to create our first single crochet, and I'm going to show you how nice it looks. Hopefully I can do it because I'm sitting in back of the camera, which makes it difficult to see. So I'm just going to go ahead and insert it. I'm not going to put it in the right place, but I want you to see how this looks. Okay, so I'm going to put it right here. Insert it on that little loop. Bring your yarn through. Now again, I'm not putting it in the right spot. I just want to insert it so you can see where I put it. And then go ahead and proceed with your single crochet stitch. All right. So here's the next one. Insert in that little loop, and you can see it when you turn it over. Okay, so you're not crocheting on the flat part. You are going to single crochet on that little loop that you see there. And I just think this looks so much neater. Forgive me, I didn't pull up all the stitch, but I just want you to get the idea of where to insert that hook. Okay, I'm going to do a few more stitches so you could see how much nicer it looks. And again, you can see that little loop there on the next 4 stitches. And I'm doing it slow because I don't want to drop the stitch. And plus I can't see through to the screen very well. I'm just going to go ahead and put it in. Okay, I know I dropped half of the yarn, but that's okay. I just want to show you how much nicer it looks. It is a little hard to get used to, but the result is just so much nicer. But once you get in the groove and you're not doing it in front of a camera, it is just such a nicer look. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like. Now, of course, mine is not as nice as it could be if I didn't have the video on, but look at how that is so much nicer. It's straight. I'll do another one off camera so you could see how much nicer it is, but there you go. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and insert a clip now. Okay, so as you can see in the clip, it is a much neater way to go. So if you're crocheting a scarf and you want that first row to be as neat as possible, that's the way to go. So I thought I'd share that with you. There are other versions to start a foundation piece, and I'll show you that more later on. All right, thank you for watching and have a great day.